Southeast Asia is booming, and the potential of lifting millions of people out of poverty is real, but fast and unplanned economic growth poses risks. This fast-growing region has become a hotspot for new and re-emerging infectious diseases. Environmental degradation is one of the top reasons for these rising health challenges. To understand potential solutions, we went to Laos, Cambodia, and Thailand to witness the work of the Come Across project.
Southeast Asia is really one of the hotspots at risk for emergence of disease at the human-animal environment interface. There is a lot of interactions and interrelation between animal health, human health, which is of course the main topic, but also environmental change. You know, like climate change, deforestation, intensification in agriculture.
Applying the One Health approach to deal with emerging infectious diseases is a leading way toward holistic thinking and collaborative work. This approach brings together medical, veterinary, and environmental science with a community-based orientation.
Multi-level actions, meaning empowering communities and having on the same boat communities, local stakeholders, local authorities, and high-level institutional stakeholders also. All together in what we call in Come Across the One Health community of practice. So what we do is reinforcing the capacities of all these people, from the village to the ministries, universities.
Southeast Asia is a recognized hotspot for occurrence and re-emergence of zoonosis diseases, the term for diseases that are transmitted by animals due to close contact between livestock, humans, and wild animals.
So the pathogens, of course, the biological process are very important. But what really matters is to place this within the society.
We have 3 cases studied, one in Laos. In Laos, the issue that emerged from the stakeholder is a parasitic foodborne disease. And in Thailand, researchers, they thought that the flood is the issue. But when we proposed this to the stakeholders, no, it's not. Now the issue has been evolving, and now it's become the rabies. Amazing. Yeah? But in Cambodia, this is an exceptional case because it's totally come from the point of view of the scientists. It's about the Japanese encephalitis and Nipah virus.
For our case study, we focus on parasitic foodborne disease. Maybe the parasite from animal and environment contaminate in food and can affect to the human. So you have to cooperate, you have to work with other disciplines as well.
The solution will not be to avoid totally eating raw food. It is just to reinforce all the capacities to address this disease, together with the diagnosis capacities, control capacity, and also educating people and raising ones.
In the Lao case, we plan to have the steering committee at the front line, 6 ministries, and they agree.
In Thailand, the project worked as a platform for voicing the concerns of the population regarding waste management and rabies, together with local and national authorities.
And we want to show them where is the landfill and where is the source of rabies.
Come Across ก็มีส่วนร่วมนะฮะที่มาสนับสนุนในเชิงวิชาการนะรวมถึงงบประมาณเพื่อเชื่อมโยงการทำงานทางด้านการจัดการของเสียรวมถึงสุขภาพของคนในชุมชน
Come Across is not about imposing a solution. The project is original because it combines interdisciplinary knowledge and participatory measures.
We have done many studies, ecological studies, sociological studies, on bats, on pigs, on the local community. And now we are using role-playing games. It's a game where people can play their own roles. So we can learn from them and we can transmit our scientific knowledge through the game.
Yeah, exchange is very important. Exchange means we give information to the literature and the literature give information to us so that we learn from each other.
The overall goal of the Come Across project is to strengthen capacity for disease prevention and control involving more than the health sector, to include agriculture, environment, and local people. To sustain the One Health approach in Asia, the project developed training and capacity building activities to empower the next generation.
I think one of the things which is really a benefit for the student is they come here and they meet different experts and professionals from different fields, researchers but professionals from private sectors, and as well they share with students from the different countries.
For me, I plan to come back to my country to contribute what I have learned to my students.
In my idea, I think is challenge for the student in Asia and also Southeast Asia, and you can learn the interdisciplinary culture.
What I learned is that flexibility, together with a rigorous methodology, can really lead us to some good achievement.
Je voudrais continuer le projet.
Personally, when I work with people, I do really hope not just try to squeeze out the scientific findings, but I really, from my heart, to make them perceive that this is the approach that can be practically done by them.